Hi friends, it's me Sherry in the Wild, and I have another unboxing for you, this time from Kollection Seoul. Alright, so I saw Dumpling Universe on Instagram show this box, and I was like, I totally need to get that. So here's what the box looks like. It's wrapped in purple and plastic, and then I just cut it earlier. But I am opening it up with you. This says now boarding. You could see pink, purple, here's the bottom, and it has a bunch of stuff on it on the front where it says take me there. It's all about going somewhere. Love you, being happy. Here's your ticket to Incheon National Airport. Yes, see, coffee and sunshine. All we have is now. So awesome. Okay, and then when you open it up, there's it says with love from Seoul, Kollection Seoul, Kollection Seoul. Okay, so when you open it up, it's a great box, very sturdy. And it says, I don't know if you can see that there. Hi Chingu, tag us, and then there are different socials here. Okay, I looked it up. Chingu means friend, like how I say to you guys, hi friends. So it's saying hi friend. And can you see that? Yeah. So it's the 2025 spring box. J-Hope has returned, and soon the others will follow.
Ooh, I can't wait.
Okay, this is really awesome. This is very BTS. This spring, we dream of a day when they're all back, spreading out a picnic mat, sharing stories and laughing under one sky. So a picnic and the dream of reunion. Oh, so it shows what we have here is a tote. Okay, with all the BT21 characters in the park. Okay, oh, I like this. So new season, new energy. As spring blooms, so does the longing for reunion. Yes, this box brings together J-Hope's return, the approaching discharge of other BTS members, and the joyful charm of a BT21 spring picnic. It's a heartfelt moment wrapped in warmth, filled with symbols of hope, waiting, and the soft breeze of new beginnings. So it has here what's in it: picnic bag, dog tag, signals, surprises. And then one to four items hidden inside.
I love surprises.
Look at them having a picnic. Okay, here, picnic bag, everyday getaway bag. All right. Meet the heart of this season's box, the BT21 mini, I think it meant mini, picnic mate, reusable bag. Okay, then dog tag, the return of J-Hope. To honor J-Hope's completed military service, we've included a custom dog tag modeled after Korean military ID tags, but filled with playful fictional details, okay? And then under signals, what do soldiers actually do day to day? In Korea, many serve as communications or admin staff, taking notes, organizing cables, and staying ready for anything. So we imagine what your own daily mission kit might look like. Mini notebook. I don't know, it says mini. I guess I don't know BT21 too well, but anyway, then surprises. Every box includes a surprise assortment of 1 to 4 BTS related items to keep things fun and full of wonder. Okay, love that. And I'll just read that more later. So here's the tag, waiting under the same sky. Aww. We're dreaming of a day when all 7 gather again, when the picnic mat is full, the laughter louder, the sky a little bluer. Until then, we wait together with hope, with love, with you. Well, they sure know how to talk to us. Okay, here's the tote bag. Let me move that. You can see that better. Okay, so it's a reusable bag. Yeah, it's kind of that that canvasy kind of straw feeling, texture. I mean, okay, you get the tag. All right, so let's see. There's Cookie and Chimmy and Koya. with the apple tree, and they got a blanket eating an apple. Or I don't know, maybe orange juice. Here's the basket, having a sandwich. Okay, picnic BT21, and up here has butterflies and clouds. Okay, Tata, Mang, Tata, Cookie, Shooky. Is that RJ? Okay. All right, they're in the park. So let me, so these are the, oh, I love this. This is great. Here's the handles or the handle straps. Okay, that's the size. That's good. It could fit a binder in there. All right. And reusable bag. That's great. All right. The next big one here you can see is Chimmy. Chimmy happens to be my favorite, although JK is my bias. It's a wrist cushion. Okay, here. Ooh, I need that. I actually have, look at this. I actually have an ergonomic mouse because my wrist has a slight pain. It's because my job is all online. I work from home and then I do YouTube, and so I'm always on the computer, and it just started hurting years ago, but I work on it. Maybe Chimmy can help me. Oh, that's kind of cool. Let me see with my ergonomic, because see, this has a cushion too, so. Ooh, that is actually kind of nice. Good one. I think I've seen kind of these wrist cushions on Amazon, but never thought of buying one. But of course now it would be Chimmy, but Chimmy's face is on the table. Sorry, Chimmy, but thank you for helping me. Okay, that's that. Okay, JK. Actually, it's a cord holder, and I actually have one here too that I got from Line Friends. Okay, that one's from Line Friends. And this is from here. Hello, Cookie. I watched the whole series on YouTube, how they came up with the BT21 characters. I thought that was really awesome. I think that helped me really like the characters. I love little cute stuff anyway. So anyway, this is a cable wrap. I'm not going to open it, so I will definitely use that. And then here we have a memo note. Is this RJ? Yes, has to be. Okay. Hello. Oh, cute. Very cute. Okay, hair clip, yes. I totally want a hair clip. I won't. Should I wear it out? Outside, meaning? They'll be like, lady, you are not a little girl. Okay. Oh, cute. Hello, Shooky. Did I call him Cookie? I meant Shooky. It's funny because he's a cookie, and then the rabbit's a cookie, and then, but it's Shooky. Ooh, thank you. Wow, this is all good stuff. Okay, I recently bought a bunch of these on Amazon for all 7. But I'm glad to have another one because I just got a bunch of photo cards from the Echo album photo binder. Yeah, sorry, I don't know. I'm still learning, but it is Minini. Minini. Does that mean something? Can you let me know? Okay, so this is RJ. I'm surprised it's not Mang. Okay. So that's the... photo card, okay? With a little, okay, like I said, I just got a photo card from the Echo album. So let me put one in just to show you. Yes, nice. Okay, this must be a surprise. Okay, any surprises so far? Okay, we got the picnic bag, signals. So, okay, so you got the notebook, cable ties, wrist support. Oh, that's cool. It goes together. So they need the wrist cushion because they're communicating using the computer, the little notepad for communications, the cable ties. That's cool. Okay, surprises 1 to 4. So we know this is the dog tag. So what did we get as a surprise? So this must be a surprise. Oh, so it's like a picnic basket filled with surprises. This is a surprise. That's a surprise. That's 2, 3, and 4. Yes. It wasn't just 1 to 4. It was 4. Oh, cool. There's another pocket mirror. And I got one in the Echo album. All right. So I did go to the Line Friends store in New York last winter. And they didn't have a lot of stuff. And so then I went online and I finished all the stuff that I wanted to get. So this is a pocket mirror. Hello, Jimmy. Look, he's behind cherry blossoms. That I love. So let me just open this just so I won't open it all the way, but just so you can see. Okay, it's a mirror. All right. And then the 4th surprise, ta-ta! Summer sky. And then all of them. Okay, love it, love it. And then here's the dog tag. Okay, inside here, it's kind of nice inside too. You got hibiscus, headphones, an umbrella. Is that a light stick or a fan? Cassette tape. Okay. Sorry, I didn't mean that to clunk. Okay, yeah, for real, like a dog tag. Okay, and then it's kind of thin. Hope, 94-218. So it says, oh, it's his name, Jong Ho Shok, and then Hope. It's the same, 2 of them. Now, is there a reason why there's 2? Okay, and then maybe you can put one. Oh, maybe for if you have a tiny wrist, or you could put one on a different type of necklace, and you could put one on this. Let's see how it looks like. What a great idea. Love it. Thank you. Okay, and then we'll just put the other one on it since it's here. Ah, okay. All right, guys. Hope you were able to see the live viewing of J-Hope. We went to the concert. You could see the videos where I showed the merch, the freebies, how I organized my stadium bag. And then, what about the Killing It girl, right? Those concept photos. When I'm filming this, and it's before the live viewing and it's before Festa, so probably when you watch this, it'll be after, but that's why I'm talking more in the present tense. Okay, that's that. That was a lot of fun. This is my first Kollection Seoul box, so I hope you liked seeing everything in here. I will definitely get the next one, so watch out for that. And like I said, if you want to see other unboxing videos or the stuff that we received from the freebies and the merch that we got at the J-Hope concert, click the other videos, and please subscribe because I'll do more unboxing, different stuff on this channel related to BTS and also travel and things that I love. So I will see you in the next video.